Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the numerical on previous year question on the electronics device. According to the given numerical, it is written that consider the avalanche breakdown in a silicon diode in a P plus N junction. The N region is uniformly doped and breakdown occurs when the electric field is equals to E critical, and assume that the E critical is independent of the ND. If the built-in potential VBI is less than the breakdown voltage, then find the relation between the VBR and ND. So, as we know that for any PN junction, the breakdown voltage VBR is proportional to 1 by doping concentration, and we can say here that it will be proportional to 1 by ND, or we can say that breakdown voltage VBR will be equals to epsilon E square divided by 2Q into ND. So we can say from this equation that VBR into ND is equals to epsilon E square divided by 2 into Q, or we can say that this epsilon is constant, E is constant, 2 is constant, Q is constant, so the total right hand side is constant. Hence, we can say that VBR into ND is constant. So, this is the relation between the VBR and ND. In this way, we can find the relation between the breakdown voltage and the doping concentration of the diodes. Thank you.